Hi everyone, this is Nuresh Mirani from nureshtech.co.in. So today I'm very excited to talk about things we'll be launching over the next couple of weeks. These are very interesting things which are happening in the way the world is evolving. So before I talk about what we are going to launch right now, let me take you through the history of what we've gone through over the last 15 years. So I actually got into the markets way back in May-June 2004, got full time into equities in January 2007. So it's almost been a 14 to 16 year period where we've spent a lot of time doing various things. And maybe in the last few years, we've taken a step back, slowed down a bit. But again, time to start interacting in different methods. So let me first take you through what we've seen our journey to be. I don't know how many people would know this, those who are following me right now, but I started off writing on Orkut communities. And I still remember a few who are following me from those times. This is back in 2004 to 2006. Somebody out there explained me to go towards Blogger because I got banned in the community for giving free recommendations. So I started a blogspot, so the original website which we are looking at right now was nureshtech.blogspot.com. And it started off with me and Mama, my mentor, Mr. N.S. Fidai, running a setup called Analyze India, which is where we started writing newsletters, and I added on to it by using Yahoo Messenger as the communication tool. And up till a few years back, Ankit and me used to actually chat on Yahoo Messenger till the time it got banned. Funnily, back in 2006-7, I think I got banned on Yahoo also as well because there were way too many messages being sent, and that was way too early in terms of to understand what is spam, etc. So Yahoo was the tool of communicating with our clients. Then I made my first YouTube video back in 2008. It is still there on the YouTube channel. That was the time where I was way too early. So it is said, do not dream ahead of time. It is as good as being wrong. So in those times, it was tough to even get bandwidth. I remember doing my first webinar in 2009. Then in 2009, I got into a Google group which allowed me to meet a lot of investors. I remember attending the first physical meet of this group back in February 2009. Got some of my best mentors from that. Around the same time, SMS became popular as a bulk SMSing tool. So we used that to communicate with clients because people are still not as comfortable on Yahoo Messenger while traveling, and the network was not that great. Post that, now bulk SMS has become something which is purely a spamming tool. I don't remember seeing my SMSs unless and until it's for an OTP. Then I shifted we shifted our website to nureshtech.co.in on WordPress. In between that, I tried to create this website on Drupal, which actually got some virus attacks. So then I got it done by a nice chap, Harsh Agrawal, who's now one of the famous bloggers today. So that is how we migrated to WordPress. Then we got onto Facebook, Facebook pages. Now I think nobody looks at Facebook as much. We've gone from, the world has changed from Facebook to Instagram. Then I came on Twitter. This was also maybe 10 years back plus, was very active and still pretty active on Twitter. Then came WhatsApp. In between, we forgot about BlackBerry Messenger. So there was a time where we actually had a group meet of a BlackBerry Messenger group. I think that did not last for long. So over the years, social media has been a great learning tool and not a trolling tool for me. It's been a super place where it allowed me to grow into the career in terms of being an engineer just in second, third year of engineering to being in the markets full time. So social media has been a superb help. And what we've seen is we've got all our growth through this mediums. Funnily, some of these things which we were using, Orkut, Blogger, YouTube, got bought by Google. And someday maybe WordPress will also get bought by someone. So this was the whole thing which has gone up. Over the last few years, I think I became old and I was more focused on trading, family, etc. So we did not try a lot of things or a lot of tools which have come up over the years. So again, it's a revamp from our side to start focusing on better ways to communicate with all of y'all. So that is where the evolution has been for me as social media and various ways to interact. So finally, after maybe spending 15 years doing various things, I think the last few years I took it a little slow. I got busy with a lot of other stuff, family as well as, so I have twin boys now to take care of. And apart from that, market takes a lot of time, so we did not pursue other mediums to communicate. We launched a online video course into the pandemic because everyone could not make it to our sessions. So for last almost 15 years, I think I would have done at least 10 sessions a year or 6 sessions a year. So I would have done at least 150 to 200 sessions or even more on weekends, wherein it would be a batch of 10 people. But things have evolved. I would still love to have a physical training session compared to an online one. But nowadays, because the way the online medium has become, the way we can edit our videos, the way we can communicate, the amount of data which I can put up in a video course is way higher, and there is a lot of consistency. So that is where we come to the next part of the launch. So we'll be launching our own app thanks to the new startups today. In this app, you'll be able to go through the online video course. All you need to do is go through your, put in your email ID, you'll get a OTP. So you subscribe to the course and then you can watch it on your phone as well as on your laptop. So the access is dual, you can watch it anywhere, anytime. Plus, we'll be adding a lot more educational content on that app. We'll be putting up a lot more videos. We already have put up a few videos. I think we'll be launching in a week's time or even faster if possible. So there will be a lot of educational content on it, and we are also actually going to launch another course, which I'm right now preparing, which is technical analysis for long-term investors. So a different perspective to technical analysis, how it can be used for investors purely with a longer term perspective. So that is a very exciting course, which is taking me some time. I've been developing it for the last 3 months or more, and I've been working on that for a long period of time. So there will be 2 courses on that. One would be the classical technical analysis course, which is already there, plus a course on technical analysis for long-term investors, and hopefully going forward we'll be able to launch more on that app. So very accessible. You can use it on the phone, you can use it on the web. All you need to do is just log in with your number. So the course fees is just the same as before, and maybe when we launch we may also come out with a discount. So that is the exciting part. So it's amazingly simple. So it will be on Android as well as iOS. Android is already done, iOS should be there in a week's time. So excited to be able to share with you all the technical analysis knowledge which I've gained over the years in a practical way. And now accessibility has become easier. Now that was part 1. Part 2, we have also started communicating via a different medium, wherein we'll have a broadcast channel on an app called Rigi, wherein it is almost similar to any other messaging app. So there will be 3 broadcast channels on it. First, which is the simple blog broadcast, which is whenever we write an article on the website, you will get a message on that. There will be a notification. Second would be a Nuresh Tech Technical Traders Room free broadcast. So this is where I'll be sharing a lot of charts which we go through in the day itself. So 10-15 years back, we used to do a lot more on Yahoo Messenger in terms of communication. Anything exciting we would look at. So for example, ITC analyst meet, which is happening suddenly. So we'll be mentioning about that. If there is a bull deal which is interesting, which we could spot out in the day itself, so we will share that. So basically, whatever we do on our end, we'll be trying to share on that, and eventually we'll have another broadcast channel which will be paid, which is where we'll be sharing all this stuff, which will help every trader and investor make better decisions. This is purely for educational purpose. We are not intending to sell advice or research on that, but a lot of data which is curated, a lot of things which we look into the markets during the day, otherwise we would like to share. A lot of these work we've been doing it on our end itself. So over the last 10-15 years, we've looked into insider trading. We've come out with a report on a monthly and a quarterly basis, which is insider trading. So a lot of these data which we keep looking at, apart from technicals or also momentum in the day, we'll try to share on that, and it would be very interesting because finally, after a long period of time, a lot of discussions which used to happen in a group of 5-10 people of the team over the years will come out in the open, and it will be select. And we've already started that broadcast We've sent it to all our email subscribers as well as on WhatsApp. So that would be very interesting because we'll be able to share something extremely right at the time. So excited about all this and hopefully to interact with all of you all in different way. And after 15 years, I'm open to now looking at various technologies and various ways to communicate. So if you all have any ideas, anything where we can collaborate, we can do better, please get back to me. I think all my email IDs are there on the website. Thanks a lot, everyone. Excited to get connected in a different manner over the next 2 weeks and for the next few years. Thanks a lot.